Hey, are you stuck in the W-2 trap like me? I mean, do you have to wake up every day and carry your happy ass to work? Me too. Hold on, I gotta make this turn. Yeah, I gotta wake up and go to work every single day too. According to Robert Kiyosaki, the author of Rich Dad, Poor Dad, most people spend their entire lives working for money instead of having money work for them, which is a damn shame. You see, Kiyosaki's core philosophy is simple. Rich people acquire assets while the poor and middle class acquire liabilities they think are assets. A W-2 job is a paycheck, but assets are what put money in your pockets whether you're working or not. This is about changing your mindset from an employee to an owner and using that paycheck to build things like real estate or a business that will pay you for life and pay for your life. What's the one asset you're focused on building right now to escape the rat race or your W-2 trap? Let us know in the comments below, and I really appreciate you watching. Boom!